Hey there, wellness warriors! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever been sidelined by a pounding headache or a relentless migraine, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of essential oils to discover natural remedies that can help alleviate that nagging pain. Let's embark on this soothing journey together. Essential oils have been cherished for centuries, not just for their enchanting scents, but also for their therapeutic properties. Extracted from plants, these potent oils offer a holistic approach to health and well-being. So, which ones are the most effective against headaches? Let's explore. First up, the invigorating peppermint oil. Renowned for its high menthol content, peppermint oil provides a cooling sensation that helps relax muscles and ease pain. Applying diluted peppermint oil to your temples can offer quick relief from tension headaches. Next, the calming lavender oil. Beyond its delightful fragrance, lavender oil boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce headache symptoms. Its soothing aroma also promotes relaxation, making it a favorite for those battling stress-induced headaches. For sinus-related headaches, eucalyptus oil is a game-changer. Its decongestant properties help clear nasal passages, easing the pressure that often leads to headaches. Inhaling eucalyptus oil can provide almost instant relief. The gentle chamomile oil is another excellent option. Known for its anti-inflammatory effects, chamomile oil can help alleviate migraine symptoms. Its calming properties also aid in reducing stress and anxiety, common headache triggers. Lastly, rosemary oil has been used traditionally to improve circulation and reduce pain. Massaging diluted rosemary oil onto the affected area can help relieve tension and headaches. Remember, while essential oils offer natural relief, it's crucial to use them safely. Always dilute them with a carrier oil before topical application to prevent skin irritation. A patch test is also a good idea to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Also, if you have a pre-existing medical condition, you may want to speak to your doctor before trying any oil. So, are you looking for the best essential oils for headaches and migraines? I have tried many different oils and have seen quick results. Here are some of my most recommended essential oils for headaches. With a blend of basil, frankincense, lavender, and peppermint, this oil works well to relieve tension. Also, this works well for any pain. When you have a bad headache or a migraine, this oil has a blend of lavender and peppermint that will help you relax. Also, you can add a capful to your bathtub for a spa-like experience. While you are in the bathtub, you may want to rest your head on a bath pillow and read. Since many of the oils come out quickly and you want to avoid spillage, this headache relief roll-on is the way to go. Furthermore, it is easy to use. In addition, this blend is made with 100% pure, undiluted, and therapeutic oil, which provides an effective and safe experience. So, if you have pain in your face or head, this roll-on provides relief for your forehead, neck, and sinus pressure. Also, this roll-on is cruelty-free and easy to transport when you're traveling. When you have a sinus infection or a runny nose, this 100% pure-grade oil will help cure your infection. It includes ingredients such as clary sage, eucalyptus, fir needle, and spike lavender. Additionally, this oil can be used in your humidifier or inhaler. When you're looking for something that will relax you and relieve tension, this oil is ideal. Moreover, this oil has a mix of lavender, peppermint, and rosemary, which is good for meditation and gets you ready for sleep time. In a wood box, this set comes with everything you will need to try a variety of different oils and find the best ones to use. Included in this set are the following animal cruelty-free and eco-friendly oils: cedarwood, eucalyptus, frankincense, lavender, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, rosemary, sweet orange, and tea tree. Incorporating these essential oils into your routine can be a natural and effective way to manage headaches. When you dab a little on the areas you have discomfort or tension, you will most likely see results relatively quickly. With this in mind, I recommend you use 1 to 3 drops. Of course, a little goes a long way. However, if your symptoms persist, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. In summary, the best essential oils for headaches should help you relieve the pain in your face and head. As always, I welcome your comments on my recommendations for the best essential oils for headaches.